Ever want to know the main differences between the Trapdoor Rifles? Well, the 1866 model, it is a true conversion of a 1863 Springfield musket. It's got the trapdoor breech that's screwed, literally screwed onto the old musket, and it reuses most of the parts of an original 1863. The 1873 uses pretty much no parts from the original 1863, and it's a dedicated trapdoor breech receiver with a screwed-in barrel. And then by 1884, for whatever reason, we're still using this gun. It's pretty much the same thing, except that they add a goofy rod bayonet to the end, and they blew the barrel. So it's a little bit more of a modern gun, but for the most part, it's still just an 1873.